Hey friends, if you encounter the error unknown USB device, the device failed enumeration error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, try a different USB port because at times certain USB ports are not able to get sufficient power. After this, you can update the USB driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now, on the list on the left hand side, expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Okay, and then you can right click on each USB root hub and update them. Okay, you have to update all of them. I'll just show it for three, but you have to update all the USB root hub drivers. Then the last one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.